Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to L'Appel du Roi, the Call of the King. So today it's a real pleasure for me to show you, to explain you exactly what happened in my trip to Gaspésie. Gaspésie, it's a big, huge peninsula east of Quebec. There is two sides. There's the north side, which near the St. Lawrence River, and there is a south side, which is the Chaleur Bay, Baie des Chaleurs. One side is Quebec, and the other side of the bay it's New Brunswick. So I was there for fishing, especially for mackerel and striped bass. I was there from August 21st up to August 25. During that week, I did more than 2,200 kilometers in my pickup, which is more than 1,400 miles. But that's okay. That was planned like this. So when I got there, I stayed at the motel called Motel de Lens. It's in Port Daniel, small city, small town named Port Daniel. But to get there along the way, as long that when you leave the north side and when you stop to drive around Chaleur Bay, you see the video. There's beautiful places, small village and ocean on the side. So that's very beautiful. So I finally got there around 4 o'clock, between 4 and 4:30 in the afternoon at the Motel de Lens. That motel is not a castle, but it's very clean. It's close to most of the spot that I want to go for fishing, and there's a little piece of kitchen inside of the room, so I can cook myself a few things. So that's real perfect for me. Um, that first evening, because I travel a lot during the day, I took it easy. I dropped the line in few places, didn't catch anything, but that was okay. Just being there and cool and relaxed. Anyway, the next morning I wanted to get up early because I wanted to go in Chandler, which is a small town, half an hour from there, and I wanted to be there before 5 o'clock. I was there before 5 o'clock, so let's see what happened that first morning in Gaspésie. Vient d'arriver, 5h moins 5, 2 touches déjà. On continue. I just got here. 2 snap already, so let's go. Fish on! first strip bass of the season. Yes! Yes! C'est pas un gros, mais je suis content. So I'm done for this morning. So good fishing morning, few catches and release. I kept this one. This one is legal, 24 inches, so I can keep it. So I will have it as a lunch at noon, so that'd be good. It's great to catch, but always good or nice to keep it. Few of them to have the pleasure to eat them. So that's it for this morning. I don't know exactly where I will go this evening. I will check. There is a lot of places around here. So I'm done for today, but my trip is not over yet. So hey, stay there. So that was a perfect morning, beautiful catch, beautiful fish, great meal at lunch. I was very happy. That was very perfect. That evening, I decided to go in another small town, but not the same way. The other way from where I was, still 25 minutes away from there. That place named Paspébiac. In Paspébiac, there's a dock where you can fish, or on the other side of the dock, there's a sandbank. I decided that evening to go on the side, sandbank side. I catch few really little strip bass. That was cool, but I have the wind facing me, so throwing the line on the ocean was a little bit tougher. So I injured a little bit my shoulder. I had pain already on that shoulder, so I had more pain at the end of the evening. So I told myself, okay, tomorrow morning I will take it easy. So this is exactly what happened on Wednesday morning. I took it easy. There was no wind, almost no wind. Beautiful sunny sunrise. So I brought my drone and I decided to catch few pictures and few video of around Port Daniel. So you see that little bridge. So this is where I'm gonna fish that Wednesday evening. So the drone make the turnaround, look all around the bay, so you can see the mountain, you can see the part of the village and the ocean. So that's a good place. That's a nice place to be, nice place to go. So that evening, like I said, I went to the near that bridge, strip bass with when the level of the ocean is going up. Okay, they're going in that bay beside that bridge to feed. So sometimes you have the chance to catch them when they pass, and this is what happened. So when I catch the first one, then I started both cameras. I started the camera behind me and I started the GoPro. So let's see what happened that evening. Un tout petit bord, on va le remettre à l'eau. Ouais, le groupe.
De crabe, c'est tout. On va pogner une paille de crabe.
D'après moi, il est dans le même gabarit que le premier. Pêchons encore. Pas gros, mais c'est le fun pack.
Yes, ça je vais ramener.
Yes, sir.
Ouais, loin des autres. Elle fait pareil. Shake it well.
On va pogner une paille de crabe.
Fish on. D'après moi, il est dans le même gabarit que lui vient de pogner là. Fish on encore. Pas gros, mais c'est le fun pack. Yes, sir. So, like I said in French in my video, they are little, but it's fun anyway to catch. So, not that much big fish that evening, but that was fun. I was talking with the other people beside me, so always great pleasure. Beautiful, beautiful sunset that evening. So that was very cool. That was very. I went back to the motel because the next morning, which was the Thursday morning, my plan was to go to Percy. Percy, it's an hour from from Port Daniel. And Percy, this is the place where there is the big rock in the ocean, and there is a hole in the rock, and it's a very popular place and very touristic town, Percy, and with the Rocher Percy and everything, and very touristic place. But my spot was 15 minutes away from that small town. So I got up that morning at 3, I left the motel at 3:30. I was there 4:45 and I started to fish, started to cast and everything, and it didn't work. It didn't work exactly the way I wanted. When I 2 days ago, when I had pain in my shoulder, I decided to switch my setup for fishing. Okay, so instead of taking my 12 feet long big rod pole for fishing, I decided to take my 9.5 feet Fenwick pole to fish, and it was more easy for me to cast, less pain in the shoulder, and let me tell you, more feeling when you catch a striped bass also. So like I said, in that morning in Percy, nothing happened. After an hour and a half, I said, no, I don't want to spend the whole morning here. I will go somewhere else. Let's go see what happened in Sainte-Thérèse de Gaspé. Sainte-Thérèse de Gaspé, it's another small town, but that small town has a marina, there's a few boat fishermen, and there's a factory. Okay, so let me explain you. You'll see that picture. In that picture, you see the marina, where's the boat. You see the factory. Okay, so when the fishermen they come back from fishing, they bring directly the fish to the factory. Okay, and in the factory they clean the fish. They keep everything they want to keep for the market, and all the rest, they put away all the rest. The rest that is no good goes straight in the pipe, and that pipe goes back straight in the ocean. So this is why in the picture you saw the place where the exit of the pipe. In that exit of the pipe, there's a whole bunch of striped bass over there. They are fighting against each other to try to catch all the meal, all the rest of the fish that coming out from that pipe. So let's see what it looked like at this place. You will see it's amazing.
Regardez-moi, gang, de poissons qu'il y a là. C'est toutes des barres rayées.
Can't you believe this? Look how many fish there are there fighting each other to try to catch all the rest of the fish coming out from the factory. This is crazy. So I tried, I came closer to that place, and I threw my lure, my plastic pink lure, directly over them. They did absolutely nothing. As you can see, that's doing nothing. Sometimes I throw a little bit away from them, try to bring slowly through them that lure, and nothing happened anyway.
Comme vous constatez, c'est pas ceux-là qu'il faut attraper.
So after a while, nothing happened over there, but that was, I knew it would do that, so, but I just wanted to show you that even there is a whole bunch of fish, a whole pile of fish in that place, doesn't mean that it's good to fish exactly over there. But there's a lot of fish all the way around that place. So I started to fish, I catch few of them, and I miss a nice one. Anyway, it's always the nice one that you miss, but I got it, but here it is. So let's see the one that I catch that I have on video.
Cool. Yes, 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 yes. Un loin, ça c'est le fun. Pêcheur. Pas gros, il va retourner à l'eau.
Et voilà, merci.
De rien. Petit, retourne à l'eau. Et ça part vite, hein? Oh, un spécimen intéressant. Du côté. Ouais, j'ai pris. Ça a mordu, puis là, ça a ferré par le côté, là. Pas évident à ramener de même. Il veut rien savoir.
On est pogné, on a pas aussi comme ça.
Ouais, ben moi aussi, je pensais qu'il était gros, mais finalement, pas si gros que ça. Hey, vite ici, Alfred. Bon. Là, t'as assez, là. T'as assez, ça fait un tillage. Marche à maison. Ouais. Ouais, bon. Ah, en espérant qu'il est légal, lui. Il a l'air gros en calvaire. Hey! Ah ouais. Il va être illégal. Ah non, non, c'est un beau de faire chanter le moulinet de même, là, oublie ça, là.
Ah ouais, il a l'air ouais.
Ah non, 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 oublie ça. Tasser, pas déranger le monde, là. Hostie, c'est décroché.
A nice place to fish. Why not? This is not the place that you bring out your fishing skills a lot because there's so many fish that you have a chance to catch one. But anyway, you're there to have fun, try to catch fish, and this is exactly what happened. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that my GoPro that I had, the battery went out, so I stayed there more than 2 hours, so the GoPro during that time went off, but I had a chance to catch real nice fish, but I don't have the catch on the camera, but at least I have pictures to show you. I catch few of them, then I catch this one. This one was 76 centimeter, okay, which is about 30 inches long. I was happy. That was close to my personal record for strip bass, which is 80 centimeter. So, but I was okay. So, still fishing, and few minutes later, bang! I knew I had something good on my pole. Bring the fish, and put it on my tape. 85 centimeter, 33 inches long. So that morning I beat my own record. I was very, very happy. I put them back in the ocean because in Quebec you're allowed to keep between 50 and 65 centimeter. Under 50, put back in the water, and over 65, put back in the water also. So, but overall, I was able to catch at least 3 of them legal. So I was able to bring them back to the motel and bring them back home and make some filet and be able to cook them, and everything was perfect. Okay. That evening, that was Thursday morning. That evening, at the end of the morning, I got a call from someone from Claude. He's living at the Port Daniel. He called me. He said, "Pierre, you want to go on a boat this afternoon for mackerel?" I said, "Well, no problem." He said, "Okay, meet me at 3 o'clock at my boat at the small marina in Port Daniel." I said, "Okay, I'll be there." So I was there before 3, got in the boat, and we left. We didn't go that far, and we didn't know to go that far. We went maximum 100 meter, 250 yard maximum from the coast, from the shore, and almost every pitch we catch mackerel. So you see few of catches. I didn't put them all because that's become almost the same thing. But it was funny. That was cool. That was relaxed. That was very nice. You talk with this guy. Then back to the marina. He invite me. He told me to come to his house. We cleaned the fish, so I had the chance to bring back 20 mackerel, which is the limit in Quebec here to have on your home. So I brought back home 20 mackerel. I put them in a smoker, and now I will be able to enjoy all summer long till next year all the nice mackerel that I catch, and it was very very fun. It was a perfect trip. The weather was perfect. It rained for 1 hour between 1:30 and 2:30 Wednesday p.m. And I was in the motel, so that didn't bother me. The rest of the week was sunny, not too hot, not too cold also. So very nice week. Hope you enjoy the video because me, I enjoy a lot being there, and I will be back there next year. So thanks for watching L'Appel du Roi, the Call of the King.